We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this country, as well as how to say more interesting and often mispronounced country names as well. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. In British English, this is usually said as Haiti, Haiti. In American English, however, it is normally pronounced as Heidi, Heidi in American English, or Haiti in British English. This is a country that shares the island of Hispaniola with the Dominican Republic. Haiti or Heidi. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting country names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.